Top 5 Best Avalanche Beacon. Number 5. McMurdo Fast Find 220 Personal Locator Beacon. Best for hiking. If your snow-filled activities typically take place in highly populated areas that are not prone to avalanches, a more simplified personal locator may be appropriate. The McMurdo Fast Find 220 Personal Locator Beacon isn't technically an avalanche beacon but can still be used in winter months when taking the dog for nightly walks, hiking in flat areas, and spending time on the slopes on hills that do not have a history of avalanches. The personal locator is easy to use and operate. The beacon has a high brightness LED light that will help others find the user in the case of an emergency. It also comes with a pouch that enables the beacon to float in water as an added safety measure. Coming in number 4. Pypes Micro BT Beacon. Small footprint. Whether you are looking for a beacon that is compact enough for kids to wear or want an option that you will forget is even on your person, the Pypes Micro BT Beacon is the epitome of small but mighty. One of the smallest and lightest beacons available, the Pypes Micro has a 3-antenna design with a 40 meters range. Even with its compact design, the precise beacon has an impressively large screen that features auto switches and search to send modes. The beacon will automatically switch from send to search if the user is unresponsive for a predetermined amount of time. Like the Black Diamond Guide, the Pypes Micro has Bluetooth capabilities. One of its most exciting features is the vibration mode, which is activated when users select the search mode. The unit will vibrate at initial detection so that users can focus on looking for victims instead of looking at their screen. Coming in number 3. Black Diamond Guide BT Beacon. Bluetooth friendly. The Black Diamond Guide BT Beacon is a professional-grade, 3-antenna beacon that has a physical switch to enable users to easily slide between off, send and search. A 60 meters circular range makes it easy to quickly find multiple victims even when far away. Using mark and scan functions, victims can be quickly identified and marked as safe after found. An auto antenna switch will automatically adjust to find the best signal, and a continuous carry mode means the digital beacon can also pick up analog signals. We also like that the beacon has a built-in inclinometer for reading slopes and angles while en route. The Black Diamond Guide BT Beacon is one of the few beacons that is Bluetooth friendly, making software updates even easier. Coming in number 2. Backcountry Access TS Rescue Package. Includes shovel and probe. The Backcountry Access TS Rescue Package helps users stay as safe as possible in the event of a disaster. The Tracker S transmitter features a real-time display and user-friendly interface. The beacon works on a 457 kHz frequency and is compatible with all other beacons on the same frequency. Users can search for multiple victims at once and use the suppress function to mark victims as safe once they have been found. The Tracker S displays distance in meters to each victim and features a loud audio component to signal when users are close to the victim. The beacon also includes LED lights that provide an easy-to-follow blinking light that will show the direction of the victim. The beacon can be purchased on its own, but we like it in the rescue package set, which includes a B1EXT shovel with an expandable shaft and comfortable T-grip. The set also includes a lightweight Stealth 270 probe that features a quick locking system that has the probe ready to use in seconds. Coming in number 1. BCA Tracker 3. Best overall. For a 3-antenna avalanche beacon that comes with useful accessories, we like the BCA Tracker 3 Avalanche Beacon. The Tracker 3 comes with a harness for easy carrying as well as a stealth probe that comes with a convenient carrying bag. The newly updated beacon is 20% more lightweight than its predecessor, and the compact unit can track up to 3 victims at once. It also has a signal suppression mode that makes it easy for users to ignore the closest signal once a victim has been located and marked safe, enabling them to quickly move on to find the next victim. The Tracker 3 has a 50 meters range and a big picture mode full digital display that shows directional arrows and distance to victims.